Hello Maths Warriors, I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we are going to solve this tricky question where we need to find the area of this quadrilateral AEFB. Okay, so whenever we have such questions where we are asked to find the area of such portions, what do? We take the use of whatever is given to us, right? So in this question, if we see, we are given that AB is equal to 9. It is not given it is 9 centimeters or meters. So simply we will say 9 units. Okay. And then BC is given 8 units. Right. And we are given CD is equal to 7 units. These three things we are given. And secondly, we are given AE and ED are equal. And this FE is a perpendicular on AD, right? So we have lots of stuff that we can take use of. Okay. So if I look at this figure, since we know we can apply congruency here. How? Since this side is common, right? FE. If I join FD and I join F with A, what will I get? I can see two triangles now. Which two triangles? This one, this triangle, AEF, and I can see DEF, right? These two triangles I can see. If I look at these two triangles, I can see that this side is common, right? FE is common. So I will write in triangles AEF and triangle DEF. AE is equal to DE, right? Okay. And FE is equal to FE because it is common, and angle E is equal to angle E. So if you look at side angle side, that means these two triangles are congruent. This implies triangle AEF is congruent to triangle DEF by side angle side property, right? Okay. So what can I do? If these two triangles are congruent, this implies FA is equal to FD. Okay. But why are we doing that? FA is equal to FD. Okay, let us see. If you look in this triangle AFB, okay, I will just erase this and I will solve it here. If you look at this triangle in triangle AFB, right? We are given BC is 8. If I say suppose this is x, okay, then this will be equal to 8 minus x, right? X and 8 minus x. So FA is actually FA square. This is a right angle triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem here. And according to Pythagoras theorem, FA whole square is equal to 9 square plus x square. That means FA whole square is 81 plus x square. Similarly, in triangle CFD, if you see triangle DCF you can say, or CDF, DCF. If you see here, this is also a right angle triangle, right? Okay, so I know that hypotenuse square, that is FD square, will be equal to 8 minus x whole square plus 7 square, right? So as we know, FA is equal to FD. This implies FA whole square will be equal to FD square, right? Okay, this says 81 plus x square is equal to FD square is this. I will take use of 8 minus x square plus 7 square is 49, right? Okay, so let us solve this. 81 plus x square is equal to 8 square is 64 plus x square minus 16x, right? A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 49, right? Okay. So x square is x square cancelled out, or you can say subtracting x square from both sides, and we will bring all of these things to this side. Okay, left hand side we will get 16x. Okay, and right hand side we can maybe 64 plus 49 can stay here, and this 81 will come on left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so this is equal to 16x is equal to, if you solve this, what will you get? 64 plus 49 is 113 minus 81. That is 16x is equal to 32, and that means x is equal to 2. Right? If x is 2, now we know. So this side I will write here 2 only. This is 2, and 8 minus 2 is what? 8 minus 2 is 6. This is 6. Right? Okay. So the required area is AEFB. Right? Okay. Let us say, because these two triangles are same, so area of this I will say A, and area of this will be equal. Right? Okay. So if I rub here and then I do that portion, okay, now I know that x is equal to 2. Okay, so I have done this now. So what will I do now? I will write area of this quadrilateral BC ABCD. You can write ABCD. Okay, area we will represent it like this is equal to area ABF, right, plus this area of this plus this, right, plus A plus area of FCD, right? Okay. So what is the area of ABCD? This figure. This is equal to half plus sum of opposite sides, 9 plus 7 times height, right? Okay. What is area of ABF? ABF is half times base times height, right? Base is 2, height is 9. Okay. Plus A is 2A plus FCD. FCD. This is equal to half times base times height. Now we will first simplify and then we will solve it. So we get, if we solve it, 9 plus 7 times 4 is 64. And if we solve this, 9 plus 2a plus, if we solve this, we get 21. Right? Okay. So 64 minus 9 minus 21 is equal to 2a. If you subtract it, 64 minus 30, 64 minus 30 is 34 is equal to 2a, and a is equal to 17 units. So area of this is 17. This is 17, right? Now you look at what is required. What they are asking. They are asking A, E, F, B, right? So that is equal to this area plus this area. 1 plus 2. Area of 1 is ABF is what? 9. So 9 plus 17 is our required area. That is 26 units. So you can write area of AEFB. Area of AEFB is equal to first plus second, that is 17 plus 26, that is 9 plus 17, that is 26 units. Okay. So I hope you understood this question. That was not hard at all. It was very easy. We just need to apply the tricks we know. We just need to apply whatever is given, and then we get the answer, right? And if you like this video, do visit my channel where I have many Maths Olympiad questions, concepts, and short tricks. Do visit and share your reviews. Thank you. Bye bye.